So the problem gives us 2.5 moles of nitrate. What did we have to start our problem on this side? We had atoms. Now we're starting with moles. But we're going to try to figure out how many atoms that is. So we need to get rid of moles of nitrogen. How do we do that? Moles of nitrogen needs to go on the bottom so that it can cancel. And I'm trying to get to atoms because the question says how many atoms of nitrogen. So atoms of nitrogen is going on the top. These technically should have little 2's because it's a diatomic. So moles cancel with each other, left with atoms. Is that what I want to be left with? Yep. So then I can put my numbers in. So inside here is the relationship. What's the relationship between atoms and moles? One mole is Avogadro's number, or 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. Atoms and molecules in formula units, that's all the same thing. I always just put atoms. It's probably a naughty habit, but I do it. Okay, so our labels cancel. I'm left with the label and chemical that the question asks for example 2. And now what do I have to do? Multiply. How did you know to multiply? Numbers on the top. So in your calculator, you would type 2.5 times Avogadro's number, 6.02, that EE, 23. 1.51 times 10 to the 24th power. Notice when you type that in your calculator, you have to look all the way to the end to see an E and then a number after the E. That number after the E is this superscript. Some people just write 1.51 and don't look at the end to see if there's an E. You need to look.
Do you want it like that or with the E? Or with the E?
Times 10 to the 24th.
You want it looking like that?
Yes, so anytime you see the E, you have to put the times 10.
Would you want it still rounded to the second digit there, or would you want it to 1.505?
You need 2 numbers after the decimal.